This healthy chocolate cake is yours. Just watch this video to the end. As long as you have your overripe banana and you also have sweet potato flour, which is healthy and gluten-free, you can have your chocolate cake made in few minutes. You're welcome back to our channel. We appreciate our new subscribers. Please keep telling people to tell others to subscribe to our channel. To make this chocolate cake, all you need is overripe banana. We have 4 in the bowl which you have mashed. You add your vanilla extract, then you can break in your eggs. Make sure your eggs are fresh to avoid getting a foul taste. Then after which you can mix just like you do to other cake. You can mix thoroughly, then add your sweetener. We're using a healthy sweetener, the date powder. You can use coconut sugar, you can use honey. This is because we want to make the cake full healthy cake. Okay, afterwards you can go in with your vegetable oil. You can use melted butter, a healthy melted butter, or a healthy oil. Then milk. You can also use plant-based milk. Here we're using tiger nut milk, which is purely gluten-free. So our cake is a healthy cake for the healthy eaters. Now we have our sweet potato flour. We are adding in our dry ingredients now. There goes our 1 cup of sweet potato flour. Then we add cocoa powder. Then baking powder, 1 spoon. We are sieving it, so in case there's other debris in it, you can take them out. Then half spoon of baking soda. After you're done, then you can mix gently and our batter will be ready in few seconds. Just mix gently. You can be a healthy eater and still eat whatever you like. All you need to do is watch what you take in. So sweet potato flour is gluten-free, is way better than wheat flour. It's low in carbs, it's high in fiber, and has more vitamin A in it. Here we're going to add dark chocolate, and you know dark chocolate too is healthy. Studies have shown it reduces cholesterol level, your blood pressure level, and it's also great for reducing insulin resistance. All we just did was take a bar of chocolate, dark chocolate, and pieces it into smaller chips. Then we'll pour into the batter. This helps enhance the chocolatey taste. So as you're done, you turn it smoothly as well. Then you can line your baking pan. Here I'm using foil because it's disposable. Don't want to be washing and washing. You can use a baking pan. When you're done, you wash it and you'll be able to reuse it again. At this point, we'll place our batter in the baking pan we're using. It's already lined with vegetable oil. You can use melted butter. So pour your batter in, then top it with some chocolate chips to add more chocolate to it. And our batter is ready to be baked. And in few minutes, we'll have our chocolate cake ready to be consumed. Let us know if you enjoy our videos. Please interact with us. Let us know where we should improve. You can drop topic of discussion. You can drop recipes you want us to look into. Our cake is ready. So are you going to try this? Let us know if you try it and how it came out. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye. Let's have some taste, shall we?